You inserted brand new batteries out of the package into your Type A, turn the switch on, and the light does not turn on or it blinks intermittently. The first thing to do in this situation is to remove the batteries and reinstall them. While doing that, look at the terminals on the batteries themselves and on the device battery clips. Make sure they are not deformed like this or even like this. The batteries have a distinct clicky feel when you insert them. If they go in too easily, it could mean they are too loose and not making proper connection. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers or even just your fingers to squeeze the individual metal tabs on the larger hexagonal terminals, like this. Again, check both sides, the batteries and the device's battery clip. The end result should look like this. The batteries can be held onto the clips without falling out. Insert the batteries back into the compartment and turn it on again. Call our support line at 877-915-8327 or email us at contact@apexdevice.net if you need further assistance.